Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Meridian, local and long-distance movers near me. At 3 Movers, we can transport your belongings locally within the state or beyond state lines. We are in excellent standing with the federal and local agencies that oversee the relocation process. Because we care about our customers and their belongings, we have insurance arrangements in place. Both before and after the relocation, these insurance plans cover liability concerns. On our team, we have the most professional and dependable crosstown movers and drivers who will safely move your possessions to your destination city or to a storage facility. You don't have to be concerned about us cheating you because all the services we offer are reasonably priced. Local moves are substantially less expensive than long-distance moves. Our hourly rates are considered relatively affordable, ranging between $30 and $40. Our dedicated and licensed local movers will ensure that you're content with our service and take your feedback and suggestions into consideration. We're experienced in working in huge cities and busy places, so we know how to move your items without causing any complications. Our local movers are dedicated to their jobs, and we're here to help you move anytime, any day. If you check out our reviews, you'll find that every one of our customers is pleased with our service. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Meridian moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.